So this template was created to simplify the process of generating a PDF price book for trades businesses. The price books provides the technicians with a reference they can use presenting services to prospective clients. So it's supposed to include the job or the service, the description, the price, and it's supposed to be organized by category. Right now, we can't see anything because we haven't made the run yet. So the main challenge was the volume of the information. In this example that we will be using, I'll just show you. This price book contains 525 jobs, which would take a significant amount of time to organize and format manually. To streamline the process, I created a template that first compiles and organizes the jobs by category, then uses that data to automatically populate a PDF template. So in this video, I'll walk you through how to use a template, starting with preparing the data source. The first step is to open this master template here. The automation for this template was built using Google Apps Script with assistance from Gemini AI. In the template, the blue cells, these ones here, are manually encoded, and the gray cells contains formulas. So start by entering the required tab names in this section. Make sure the tab names do not contain spaces, as this is required for the formulas to work correctly. Next, add the link in the PDF template. Add the link to the PDF template file. So if you add more rows to the list, let's say you put 29 here, make sure the formulas in the gray cells are copied down as well to the new rows. So I've grouped the information so that it won't be cluttered, but this one here has several columns. So make sure it's copied down. Right now we have extra rows, so that's okay. Once everything is set up, click Compile Job Items. So this clears up the previously compiled data and then goes through each tab listed and collects the required information. I will make a separate video after the data is compiled.